Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Ford Focus. First, gather your essential tools, including a 15mm wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. You will also need about 4.5 quarts of new 5W20 or 5W30 motor oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug washer. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Now let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, typically a 15mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Carefully loosen the plug with your wrench and remove it, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter with your wrench, then clean the mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new Motorcraft FL910S filter. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then add approximately 4.5 quarts of fresh 5W20 or 5W30 motor oil through the filler cap. For the final steps, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to about 18 foot-pounds. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick. Ensure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks, adding small amounts if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.